I love solving problems and making life better. With Lord Sugar, I've been so fortunate to launch my ergonomic nail files, a safety spy hole baby nail clipper, and most recently the Style Pro makeup brush cleaner and dryer. Something I keep being asked for is teeth whitening that really works. We'd all love whiter teeth, teeth that really make you want to smile. After a lot of thought and research into this problem, I wondered, what if we put blue light technology into the bristles of a toothbrush and added a small amount of whitening ingredient into a toothpaste so that you whiten as part of your daily routine? You know, you have to brush your teeth every day anyway, so why not use a blue light technology toothbrush and whitening in the toothpaste? For the last 2 years, I've been obsessed with trying to turn this idea into a reality. Teeth whitening happens when stains are removed from the tooth enamel, or when the colour of the layer underneath the teeth, called dentin, is changed. So using sonic vibrations and stain removers in the toothpaste, STYLSMILE aims to do both. The STYLSMILE is by far the most complex project I've ever worked on. Finding a way to make a sonic toothbrush with blue light technology into the head has been so tricky, with the added problem of ensuring that only the toothbrush head vibrates, not the handle, while stopping water and toothpaste from getting inside the handle. Oh, it's been such a long project, but I'm so proud of the results. I tell you, brushing your teeth with this toothbrush is so cool, especially looking into the mirror in low light. Now, it's very, very important to note that this is not UV. STYLSMILE uses blue light only. Blue light, often known as cold light, is well known for accelerated tooth whitening. The next problem was getting an effective whitening agent into a toothpaste that could be used every day and twice a week in a whitening booster tray. Whitening agents are problematic as they love mucking up other ingredients. There are also certain restrictions on some whitening ingredients. My lab is in fact filled with tubes of failed toothpaste. There's no wonder that I believe this is the first time it's ever been done. The STYLSMILE toothpaste contains furfalimido peroxyhexonic acid, or PAP, a non-toxic, peroxide-free whitening agent which also has anti-plaque and long-lasting bacterial benefits. The STYLSMILE toothpaste tastes just like regular toothpaste and contains everything recommended for healthy and clean teeth. It can be used as your daily toothpaste and also with the accelerator tray, meaning you only have one tube to worry about. For best whitening results, we've also included a blue light accelerator tray, which can be used for 15 minutes twice per week. Personally, I use it in the evening just after brushing my teeth while I'm getting ready for bed. Whitening that works. In an independent consumer trial of 50 people, 88%, almost 9 in 10, said they had whiter teeth after 4 weeks using the STYLSMILE. On average, their teeth were 3 shades whiter. A quarter of the users' teeth were 5 shades or more whiter. It's important to note that STYLSMILE only works on natural teeth and not on veneers or false teeth. Lord Sugar and I believe so much in STYLSMILE, and we're offering a 100% money-back guarantee should you not be satisfied. Terms apply.